Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan. In previous video we have started second chapter angles in geometric figures. We have discussed some types of angles, some types of figures. Now in this video we are going to find unknown angles on a straight line at a point and in a triangle. So let's start from straight line. This is a straight line and there are two angles, one of the angle is given, that is of 45 degrees. We know that sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So this would be equal to x plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degree. So simply subtract 45 from 180 is equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 180 minus 45 is equal to 135 degrees. The measure of this angle x is 135 degrees. Now we have one more straight line. So there are three angles on this straight line and two of the angles are given. One is of 45 degree and second one is of 70 degree. So we will find angle x. Again we know that sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus 45 degree plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Again simply subtract 70 and 45 from 180 degrees. 180 degree minus 70 minus 45 degrees. 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degrees minus 45 degrees. (110 minus 45) 65 degrees. So angle x is equal to 65 degrees. Now let's learn to find angles at a point. So we know that sum of angles at a point is equal to 360 degrees. So sum of angles, there are three angles are given at this point. Y plus angle y plus 90 degree plus 110 degree is equal to 360 degree. Again simply subtract 90 and 110 from 360 degrees, or you can first add 90 and 110 and subtract the sum from 360 degrees. So I am first of all adding 90 and 110. This is easier. This would be 200 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Now y is equal to 360 degrees. Now subtract 200 from 360 degrees. 200 degrees. So angle y is equal to 360 degrees minus 200 degrees is equal to 160 degrees. Angle y is equal to 160 degrees. Now we will learn how to find angles in a triangle. Again we know that sum of angles into a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. So simply add what you will do, subtract the given angles from 180 degrees. So y, we will find the unknown angle y. So y plus 100 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus 100 minus 45. Now 180 minus 100, 80 degrees, and minus 45 degrees. So angle y is equal to 80 minus 45 is equal to 35 degrees. So angle y is equal to 35 degrees. So dear students, I hope it is clear to you how to find unknown angles on a straight line at a point and in a triangle. Keep practicing at home because practice makes a man perfect and maths comes from practice. For more queries and questions, kindly join our live session. Due to any reason you are unable to join our live session, you can contact me through WhatsApp or you can watch these videos. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.